Well, here's the floods I've been talking about. Queensland floods. I didn't want to do this video during the day because there's people everywhere, and I just got off the phone to my girlfriend and she's like, "Go to bed, Johnny." And I'm like, okay. And she was like, "No swimming." I was like, okay. But I'm like a kid on red cordial at the moment. I had to get off the boat. I've been on the boat 3 days now. I got boat fever. So we'll just go for a walk. And show you these floods. So it goes all the way up there. And all that's flooded. And then I just basically didn't want to drink drive, so I jogged up to 7-Eleven and got a coffee. So I'll show you at night. So yeah, this is the Queensland floods. And I'm in the middle of the road. It's not as deep as it was before. You can see where it got up to. See on that fence the watermarks? So it got pretty high. The rain finally stopped. And it got pretty high. So I saw a big snake before, but big python swimming in the water, but I couldn't get the camera out in time. So this is the Queensland flood. Worst flood in a long time, I reckon. And to get back on my houseboat, I've got to basically swim out and do a massive pull-up. I talked about that. Oh, it's trod on something. There's a mangrove branch that I bounce up and down on, and then I launch onto the boat. So I got a sore stomach, not from sit-ups, but from landing on my guts. But I finally worked out after 3 days and used my brains. I got a plastic chair now I'm gonna put in the water and hop up on like that. So yeah, this is Queensland flood at 1:30 in the morning. I just really needed a coffee. I was trying to film the snake, but I buggered off before I could get my camera out. 30 big python just swimming around, having a good time. So, poor old phone box got smashed. And the river's that full, there's stuff floating around down the river, eskies and stuff, and I was going to swim out and get one. But Levy was like, "You're an idiot." So I didn't. Yeah. So it's still flooded, the tide's coming in, so I can't video it too long. I need to get back on the boat. But this might give you an idea. And I probably shouldn't stay in this water too long, because I cut my foot open on an oyster jumping off the boat. So yeah, the fire station basically nearly went under a bit. And there's so it stopped raining, thank God, but now I've got all the river water coming down. And yeah, you can see how flooded it is. Look at that. I should sleep there tonight. So it's knee deep now. The other night when I was running around like an idiot, it was like this road was about in between waist and chest height. So it was about a metre according to that thing. So it's a random shopping trolley. There's fish. Imagine catching a bream on the road. I gotta watch out for shit actually. So yeah. So this whole section of town is underwater. There's boats have been lost. Moorings been pulled out. Pretty decent flood, man. There's Johnny P's leg. And for some reason at 1:30 in the morning I'm wandering around with a cup of coffee. Some flowers. Something must have happened. A bit deeper here. Yeah, so this, and it goes all the way up there. So dirty water. You shouldn't be in this water if you've got cut feet. So don't do it. Hope I don't see that big dirty snake again. Pythons aren't poisonous, but they can still go to town on you. Oh, gutter. That hurt. There you go. Oh, I just went off the edge of the gutter. So yeah, 60 centimetres above the road. Oh, it just got real deep here. Oh, I trod on something. Alright, I'm up to your waist now. Just smashed my foot in that gutter. Random shopping trolley. I'm walking on grass now, so it's quite comfy. Just gotta be careful, I keep treading on shit. Oh, a stick. So yeah, trees underwater, everything's underwater. Random shopping trolley. Footpath, I'm on footpath. That's pretty cool. I might sit over here at the picnic table and have my coffee. At least I've got the park to myself. Always got to look on the bright side, team. There's something around here I'm going to crash my foot into and know it. This water sucks. I'm over this flood though. Can't do shit. Anyway, team, look, there's a tap. At least you can get a drink. Anyway, team, hope you enjoyed that. That's the flood. I can't wait for all this water to go because I'm over it. I've got boat fever. Talk to you all soon.